Right, now what sort of things do we have to do? Now, what I've done so far, as I said to you, is I've dug all of the old plants and things which rotted down last summer, and all the ones that have really rotted and completely disappeared and they're all black and lovely. I've dug all of that into the ground here so that the food is already in this ground, ready for planting things. That's the first job. Second job is to obviously get the seedlings and put them into the ground. Some things you put straight into the ground, other things you start in the greenhouse, wait till they're nice little strong plants, then put them out here. I tend to do that. It takes a bit of time, but because we are so open, as you'll see, wide open spaces behind us, the wind blows and it stops the young seeds getting started, and also the ground is very clay, very squodgy. As you can see, it looks squodgy now, and if you put seeds in, the squodgy gets very hard and the little plants can't push their way through. So because it's very clay soil, I have to start quite a lot of my things indoors. Now, when I put them out, I sometimes put them out a bit early, and then to protect them from the cold, I either cover them up with these little covers called cloches, or I spread on the ground big sheets of this stuff which goes all over the plants. Because this is the experiment you're going to do, because it's nice and light coloured, even though you're covering the plants up, the light gets through, and because it's full of holes, the water gets through, but it keeps them warm. So that stuff is called fleece, and I do cover my plants up quite often with that, just to get them started a little bit early, so that we make the full use of the sunshine. Then of course, what other jobs are there? Weeding. Now look at this job here. There's a weeding job. That is a job that I have to do, but I can't do it right now because the ground is too squodgy. So when it dries out just a little bit, I've got to dig out all of the grass and make the nice straight rows. Otherwise, the weeds, because the weeds are natural, they grow here, they're not foreign to my garden. The weeds grow better than the plants. And so you have to take the weeds out to let the plants grow. And so this has to be done, otherwise all of the weeds will grow.